Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset CHUWI UBook X. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the start and then that gear icon to open the settings. Here we want to go for updates and security, recovery, and here we can begin to reset this PC, so let's do that. Now we can choose to either keep all of our files or remove everything. In this case, I'm gonna go and remove everything. Next is to choose how we will reinstall our Windows through the cloud or using local reinstall. And in this case, I'm gonna go with a local option. Now we have the sum up of everything what's gonna happen to our laptop or tablet or however you call it. Then we can click on next, and here it will ask us to connect our tablet to the power. So take the charger that probably your tablet is provided with and connect it like this. It should start charging, you can see it right here, and automatically the reset will begin. Now we need to wait a few moments, and this reset will take around half an hour to even an hour, at least it should. And when it's done, we'll be able to set up our Windows wholly new. So click on the reset and I'll be right back with you when it's done.